Hey, good morning, guys. Happy Mother's Day. Because today is Mother's Day, and when you're watching this, it won't be Mother's Day, but go back in the past until Sunday, and it was Mother's Day. So happy Mother's Day. So just like yesterday, start off the morning getting ready, listening to some music, getting changed. And now just chilling outside, about to leave to go to my aunt's house for Mother's Day. Psych, I'm back, baby! It's off the footage. I'll catch you guys on the road. I like your driving skills pulling in all the way backwards from up there to here. What's up, doggy? We just got to my aunt's house. I'm here with my girl, Bree. You're gonna say hi or anything? What's that? You got a penny? There's a penny. Then we also got Roxy here too.
Hi. And happy Mother's Day.
Did you tell your mom Happy Mother's Day?
We surprised her with the stuff and stuff. We surprised her with the grass I made at my school.
You have any wise words for the fans? Any wise words?
I got one, but I forget it.
When my aunt wants me to try this thing, it's like cream cheese and pepper jelly or something.
Pepper jelly. Good. Come up with a little bit.
Only a tiny.
Only a little bit cream cheese.
If I really don't like cream cheese.
Alright, you're fired.
Okay.
You're fired.
I don't like this.
It's okay. I mean, like, I like it. It's pretty good, but like, I'm not craving. Yeah, it's like sweet. It's like it has like that jelly taste to it, which if I'm thinking of like a candy or something filled with like jelly, it's like a big bite. I'll take another bite.
You like Cousin Chris. You don't like cream cheese.
I'll take another bite.
Oh, stop it. Chill.
You like it?
Yeah.
Is it good, Julie? Like it? Oh, so you know what it is, Jules?
Yeah, this is Dia Kabasi.
But it's good though, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Does it even taste like, I don't even taste the difference.
No. Thumbs up?
What?
Ooh, 2 thumbs up.
On the other hand, I'll put 3.
3.
It's good. Wait, can I just put a mask on? This is actually pretty comfortable.
No. Rain dance. Hey.
Try seeing this.
Oh. I don't care what I do. Ow.
It was not raining like 10 seconds ago. They started dancing, started to rain. Make the rain come. It's on your face, Jules.
It's a mask.
Right here, Dan. Let me grab the foot.
You need help with this or no? I have to eat it.
Don't lean forward. Or backwards.
Stand in front of me. Ah, you're good? You good?
Roxy.
Push. Okay.
I don't know where he's at.
Stand up. Stand up. Stand up.
Cam, stand. Stand up straight, Cam. Look forward. Stand up straight. Yeah.
You guys stinky bug.
Straight up. Okay, now I'm gonna let go. Put your hands to the side.
Lexi, do you want any?
Yeah, one sec. Straight.
Bye, Bree.
I'll
Give me a
FaceTime.
hug. Want to FaceTime me?
Uh-huh.
Okay, smile. Any last words for the camera?
Mm.
Any last words?
I forget.
Any wise words?
I got one, but I forget it. If
Bye,
you have
Roxy.
a fidget spinner, those are cool. My cousin Gabby, my cousin Roxy, she's crazy. She knocks this girl over. If you have a fidget spinner, comment in the below and say I have a fidget spinner and say what color it is.
Excuse me. Go home, Jules.
Okay.
It was super fun at my aunt's house. Love playing with the kids. Love seeing family. You already know how it is. But now for like dessert, there's these like, I'll pop up a picture right now of them. And I'll look at it. These things were super good. They're like a pastry of like a lemony taste to it, delicious. And these are the names of them. I don't have it in front of me, but it's like Psygotales or something like that. I don't even know. I forget what the names are if I don't have it in front of me, but delicious they were. I got school tomorrow and then got cheer. I'm excited for like the pep rally coming up. I got 2 practices this week, 3 practices next week. It's gonna be exciting, super fun. So happy Mother's Day to everyone out there. We do appreciate everything you guys do, all the mothers out there. I'm probably just gonna go lay down right here for a little bit. This bed's kind of comfy. I'm Chris. It's a Mother's Day. See ya. I could definitely just take a nap right here though. Ah!